It's 6:30, and we're just now pulling off. I'm sitting here in the car. The other guys have already left. Yeah, they gone. I'm sitting here. I had to bring the drone out to do the video of the job.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
The job is finished. That's the complete job there. All done. We got everything cleaned up. It's completely finished. All the walls are up. And we went inside and cleaned everything up. Loaded everything up, got all the scaffold down and on the truck. And pulled out. As you can see, clean as a whistle. Everything is done. The whole job is done, but it's 6:30. So this will be the last bit of footage y'all get today, because by the time I get to anywhere where there's any footage to actually shoot, it'll be too dark. There's a car over there, but that's that. So we had a good day. We would have been out of here an hour ago if we had the other guy helping us. We lost the guy, so that kind of slowed us down a little bit. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna see, can I fly through this window? 4 feet. Might need to go down a little bit. It wants to go up and over it. It don't want to go through the window. Yeah, it's gonna go over it. Yeah. Maybe I can go through the garage door. Maybe it'll do that. It wants to go over it. There it comes. There we go. That's it for today. I'll bring this drone back here and catch it. Come on back. Come on over to the car. Yeah, you can land. Come on. There we go. Well, that's it for today. See you in the next upload.